instigated by US Army Air Corps General Hap Arnold, and it was one of several training schemes set up by the British to train our own and Commonwealth pilots outside the UK, away from the dangers of Luftwaffe air activity. This one from Golden Apple Operations, believed to have been built in 1942. Allegedly, this was the first cadet to go to Canada to train pilots there. Not surprisingly, given the open cockpits, they were all sent home after the first winter of that. So the Arnold scheme was set up by the US to train RAF pilots in the more reliably blue skies of Arizona. The RAF had a number of hangars at its disposal at Falcon Field. Of course, upon returning to the UK,